So, let's explore. Vamos a explorar este nuevo lugar. Estamos cerca de Beersheba. Es hermoso. So these are stalactites. So look from the ceiling, they come water. But normally the water comes with like some sort of salt and debris, and they start leaking.
Oh, that's what made this?
And over the years, they start forming this clunk, 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 clunk,
Oh,
all up. So you see.
but that one over there is all the way up to the top.
So there's two kinds. One that comes down, and the other one that grows up. Spanish is stalagmitas y stalactitas. The difference is those things that are like a pointy thing.
Yeah,
That's a one.
Papa, see the aqua?
Oh, I see the agua. What? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, even here, you see? So they create this one, and then eventually they create another one.
Can we touch it?
You can touch. De la naturaleza, cómo hace las cosas. Dios, en su infinita misericordia, nos deja admirar la naturaleza. This is how nature creates ways. That's the way that God had planned. Can you explain me where we are?
In the cave.
In a cave? What kind of cave?
Icicle cave, I call it.
You call it icicle cave.
This is the icicle.
Look like icicles. Hey Samantha, where we are at?
We are a skeleton cave.
What we're watching here?
We are watching statues come from the ceiling of the cave.
Wow, this is the first time that you're watching this?